Okay guys, here we go. You keep doing them, I'm gonna keep pumping them out. Another round of TT Phonics. Now this is number 4. We're gonna continue with the TH sound. Now this time, the TH sound is not coming from the throat. No. It's coming from the lips. Between your upper and your bottom teeth, you place your tongue and you just blow, just air. Very soft, very soft.
E, thirsty, A, think, L, A, D, thousand, ick, thick, thin, math, O, throw, E, three, bath, O, thermal, E, empathy, E, sympathy, O, thankful, E, R, E, I, U, D, E, G, U, D, O, F, E, E. These are my new big words: thankful, empathy, and sympathy. Bye, and I love you.